Yes, hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, in the social studies, as we have completed 3 parts, but the lesson is very lengthy, so we need to complete part 4 as well as part 5. So today I am going to start part 4 of social studies for class 4th, lesson number 2, the Northern Mountains. Okay, so all of you take out your page number 144. So in the part 3 we have learned about the beautiful of Jammu and Kashmir, like where the Jammu and Kashmir lies, how the glittery valleys, the snowfall as well as the season and the people, what do they wear, how do they talk, what is the special drink for them. We have learned in the part 3, and now in the part 4 we will learn about the beautifulness and the speciality of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. Okay, so everyone take out page number 144, Himachal Pradesh. There are mountain, hills, valleys and rivers in Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital of this state. It is a popular hill station. Kullu, Manali and Kufri are other beautiful hill stations. Jwalamukhi temple in Kangra district is very famous. So yes, Himachal Pradesh, what are they? There are mountains, hills, valleys as well as rivers. And Shimla, okay, Himachal Pradesh का capital क्या है? Shimla. So the people there, the tourists, they come and visit the hill stations, and which are the famous hill stations? Kullu, Manali and Kufri. So there is one temple also. That temple is called as what? Jwalamukhi temple. That temple is very famous in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Next, the people of Himachal Pradesh are simple, honest and hardworking. They like to wear bright colored clothes. So next, coming about the people. Yes, people, they love to wear, they are very simple, okay, and they are very hardworking people, and they love to wear light color clothes. They do not wear dark color clothes. That is the similarity of their clothes. So they will wear only light color clothes. The people in Himachal Pradesh speak Hindi and Pahari language. They are very fond of dancing and flute playing. Nati is a popular folk dance. The people celebrate Dussehra, Shivratri and Diwali with great pomp and show. Kullu and Kangra Valley are especially famous for their Dussehra celebrations. So the language is like how we speak Hindi language at our houses, or whenever we are meeting other people, we speak in Hindi or English, but their famous language is what? Hindi and Pahari language. Okay, that area language is called as what? Pahari language. And they love to dance as well as flute playing. Flute playing is what? Okay, Krishna is having a flute with him, so they love to play that flute. Nati is a famous, the dance folk, the dance which they will do. That dance name is what? Nati. And they, like how we celebrate Dussehra, Shivratri and Diwali, the people of Himachal Pradesh, they too celebrate Dussehra, Diwali and Shivratri. And Kullu and Kangra Valley are famous for the Dussehra celebration. So the two places are there in Himachal Pradesh which are famous for celebrating Dussehra and Diwali or Shivratri. Farming is the main occupation here. The food crops are wheat, maize, rice and potatoes. Fruits like apples, apricots, plums, peaches and grapes are grown in plenty. Some people are good craftsmen. They make wooden toys and trays along with the shawls and carpets. Some people rear sheep and goat. So what is the main occupation for them? Farming. As everyone, whoever people living in Gaon or the villages, their main occupation is what? Farming. Okay, and what are the crops they grow? They grow wheat, maize, rice and potatoes. And fruits like apples, apricots, plum, peaches and grapes are also grown where? In Himachal Pradesh. Okay, they also make wooden toys and trays along with shawls. Shawls means because that area is covered with the mountains, so that's why there is heavy winter. So that's why they make what? They make shawls. And few people, they wear what? Sheep as well as goats. Okay, next is what? Uttarakhand. On going from north to east, the middle part of Himalaya lies in the state of Uttarakhand. Locally, this area is called Garhwal and Kumaon. Mussoorie in Garhwal and Nainital in Kumaon are the famous hill stations. The Ganga, the Yamuna and many small rivers rise from here. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath in the mountains are famous places of pilgrimage and tourist interest. So next is what? Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand lies in the northeast. So what is there? First of all, their name was, it is also called as Garhwal and Kumaon. Okay, their first name was Garhwal and Kumaon. And Mussoorie, Nainital, these are the famous hill stations lies in the Uttarakhand. So if any tourist they visit, so first they visit the hill stations like Mussoorie and Kumaon, Nainital. Okay, and there are many rivers also like Ganga, Yamuna and other rivers also, and Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath are the mountains. These are the different mountains where the tourists will come and where the pilgrimage will come, and these are the famous temples also. The peoples will come and meet. Okay. The people of Garhwal and Kumaon like to wear bright color clothes, long shirts and pajamas. They grow rice, wheat, maize and vegetables. Some people raise sheep and goat. So the people of Uttarakhand or Garhwal or Kumaon, they too wear light color clothes like Himachal Pradesh, and beautiful colorful clothes, and they wear a shirt along with the pajama. What do? They wear shirt along with the pajama. And what do they grow? Rice, wheat, maize and vegetable. And some people rear what? Sheep and goats. Okay. Yes. Next is what? Sikkim. Sikkim is a small state wholly situated in the Himalayas. It is just between Nepal and Bhutan. Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India, is in Sikkim. It is the third highest peak in the world. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. There are many Buddhist monasteries in the state. So this Sikkim is totally situated, और बोल सकते हैं वो बहुत ही आसपास है हिमालय के. Okay, it is very near to the Himalaya. So it lies between Nepal and Bhutan. Kanchenjunga, it is the highest peak. Kanchenjunga, highest peak in the sense it's the highest mountain in India. And where does it lies? It lies near the Sikkim. So there are many Buddhist monasteries in the state also. So the people of Sikkim, I think they follow more Buddhism. So that's why there are many Buddhist statues, monasteries in this state. Bhotias, Lepchas and Nepalese people live in Sikkim. They wear colorful clothes, they wear masks while they dance, they play music on long bamboo horns. Food of the people is rice, pulses, vegetables and yak's milk. Okay, so these are the different types of, you can say, Jat, okay, the different types of communities like Bhotias, Lepchas and Nepalese. And these different types of communities, they live where? They live in Sikkim. They too wear colorful clothes, and while dancing they wear what? They wear masks. Dance करते समय वो क्या पहनते हैं? Mask. So even they play music, long bamboo. With the help of the bamboo, they play a music like this. They beat on the floor and they play a music. And food of them is rice, pulses, vegetables and yak. Next is what? Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a hilly area near Sikkim in the state of West Bengal. It's the most famous hill station in the eastern part of India. Darjeeling hills are known for their high quality tea. So Darjeeling, where does it lie? It lies near the Sikkim in the West Bengal. And this is the most famous hill station because other hill stations are very beautiful, but Darjeeling is the most famous hill station. Okay, and Darjeeling hills are also known as what? High quality tea. So these people, they grow what? They grow tea. And that's why this is a famous tea, or you can say a high quality tea. If you want high quality tea or good quality of tea, you can purchase it from Darjeeling. It's very famous. Okay children, so these were the different types of states which lies in the northern mountains. Okay, so till today part 4 is completed, and in the next class I am going to start part 5 where I am going to explain you the northeastern hilly regions. These are only the northern mountainous regions. Okay, but now few mountains which covers northeastern parts, few states which covers northeastern parts, and I'm going to explain in the next video. Okay children, till then take care, read the lesson, write question answers which I have given you and learn it. Goodbye.